Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again. Today I'll be showing you how to make an emulsified scrub. And if this is your first time on my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel so you get notified when I post again. Stay tuned to the end of the video so you won't miss out on any information. Okay, so let's quickly go through the ingredients I'll be using. I have my emulsified wax. This is my emulsifying wax. I also have bee wax. This is bee wax. Then I have my sugar. I'm going to put the recipe in the description box. Okay, this is coconut oil. And this is steric acid. This is my stick blender. Olive oil. And I have sugar again. Then I have my measuring cup and spatula. So let's get to measurement. Okay, so I'll be measuring out my butters, and I'll be using shea butter and mango butter. And shea butter is really an healthy cosmetics ingredient. It has high concentration of fatty acid and vitamins. Shea butter has anti-inflammatory and healing properties. Using shea butter on your face and body can suit your skin. It can condition and tone your skin. And also mango butter. Mango butter is a long-lasting emollient that nourishes the skin and boosts its elasticity as well as the softness, thereby making your skin smoother and firmer. So this scrub is actually suitable for your body and your face. Okay guys, so on to the first phase of the process. I'm going to melt down my butter, waxes and the oil. Okay, so what I have in here is my emulsifying wax, steric acid, bee wax, shea butter, and mango butter. That's what I have in this measuring cup. So I'm going to melt it down on a double boiler. So on to the next ingredient. So I'm going to measure out the preservative and set aside for the cool down phase. Okay, so I'm going to be measuring out my fragrance oil also. So the fragrance oil and the preservative I'm going to add at the cool down phase. Guys, so let's start making the scrub. The first thing I'll be doing, I'm going to turn in my sugar and then color the sugar. I'll be using a strawberry and pink color. It's advisable to use food coloring, original food coloring for your scrub. Okay guys, so here is my sugar after coloring. This is the color that I want, so I'll be using. Okay, so right now this is my oil, the melted down oil, and I'm going to turn in the cool phase. So I'm going to add the cool phase to the hot phase, so it reduces the temperature of the oil a bit before turning it into my sugar. Okay, so please make sure it's well blended. Make sure the oil is well incorporated and well blended before you turn it into the sugar. So here we go. You turn the oil into the sugar and mix very well. So you have to keep mixing till the mixture is well incorporated. So when you say this is an emulsified scrub, it means when it comes in contact with water, it gives you a lotion effect, unlike the normal scrub that when you use it falls off from your body. When you use this on a damp skin, it forms a lotion effect. Okay guys, so here is what I have. I set aside some oil in case my mixture is too thick. I don't want it to be too loose either, so I'm going to add in the remaining oil that I set aside and mix. Afterwards, I will add in my preservative. Please, if you do not have a thermometer, you have to let the oil cool down. You have to hold on for a cool down phase before you actually add your preservative, because the preservative actually needs a particular temperature. If your temperature is too high, it counters the preservative and it doesn't work. And any product that will eventually come in contact with water should actually have a preservative in it to avoid molds and bacteria in your product. Okay, so my beautiful people, this is my emulsified sugar scrub, strawberry sugar scrub. This scrub is very good for your skin. It nourishes your skin, it suits your skin, it gives your skin the moisturizing effect. It has anti-inflammatory and healing properties. It is actually good for any type of skin, be it you have an oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, whichever skin you have. It's really good for your skin. So right now I'll be filling in my container. You need to fill into the container before it gets totally cooled down and solidify. I will be using my piping bag to transfer to my clean sanitized container. So if you like my video, if you find this video helpful in any way, kindly thumbs up for me, subscribe to my channel, share this video among your friends. See you in my next video. Bye.